So I figured I would show you guys a quick grocery haul, just give you a quick look at everything we got today. Some of this stuff is from H-E-B and a couple items are from Kroger. We usually have to go to 2 different grocery stores because what one doesn't have, the other one has, or we like Kroger brand things, so we go to Kroger's also. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that we got today. So I'm gonna start over here. I got some avocados because you guys know that I can't live without my avocado toast, and I also love avocado on top of my ground turkey meal prep. So I got 3 avocados. I got a pack of mini cucumbers. I love to eat these raw. I also love to eat them cooked, and I'm gonna be adding them to some steak foil packs this week. I got some green onions and some cilantro for my meal preps. Got some Roma tomatoes. Got a yellow onion, a white onion, and a zucchini. Got some angel sweet tomatoes, a box of pot ready angel hair pasta. I got a can of French style green beans, some black beans for my meal prep, some little baby corn nuggets, some beets, and some peanut butter. Also got some instant brown rice. I got some of these Blue Diamond almond nut thins, and this is the country ranch flavor. I've never had this one before, so I thought I would try it. We got some chicken breast tenders, ground turkey. We got a steak, some pork chops, and some frozen scallops. We got some baby red potatoes, 2 packs of grape tomatoes, some chicken stock, some pre-sliced mushrooms, 2 heads of lettuce, some apple tart slices or tart apple slices. These are just green apples already sliced up. Got some green bell pepper, some broccoli that we're gonna be eating that with this creamy ranch dressing. We got some pickles, salt and vinegar chips, and lastly we got some of this marsala cooking wine because I'm going to be making chicken marsala. So that's it for my grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Now I have to put everything away. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be using for the chicken marsala. We've got some all-purpose flour here, some marsala wine, some garlic powder and onion powder. We've also got some salt and pepper, some chicken breast tenders, some chicken stock, some pre-sliced mushrooms, some butter, and some angel hair pasta. So the first thing I'm gonna do is season my flour with salt and pepper. You really don't need a lot of flour because we're just dredging the chicken, so we're not like completely coating it with a thick coating or thick breading, whatever you wanna call it. We're just dipping the chicken in the flour and then we're gonna shake it off a little bit. So I'm also seasoning my chicken with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and then we're going to dip it in the flour. So now I'm adding some olive oil to my pan. I'm gonna let that heat up while I coat my chicken in that flour mixture. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken in the pan, and I'm gonna let it fully cook, and then I'm going to be cutting it up with my kitchen scissors, which I didn't do on camera, but you will see the smaller chunks in just a few minutes. And after the chicken is fully cooked, I'm actually gonna remove that and set it to the side on a plate, and then we're gonna start on the marsala sauce. I am obviously just cooking for 2, so if you need to double this recipe, then you do what you gotta do, girl. So I got my chicken out, set it to the side on a plate, and I am adding some butter to the pan now because I'm going to saute my mushrooms. I'm also seasoning my mushrooms with salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I also add in some Italian seasonings. So now I am adding in a half of a cup of the marsala wine, and we're gonna cook this a little bit till some of that alcohol is reduced, because we are not trying to get drunk on chicken marsala, honey. And then I'm also adding in a half a cup of chicken stock. I also added in a little extra butter because you know I love me some butter. Anyway, so after cooking this for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add that chicken back in, mix it all together. I got my angel hair pasta cooking, and once my pasta is done, I'm gonna throw that pasta right in the pan. Toss it around a little bit so that pasta gets covered in the sauce, and voila, that's all. This was actually my first time ever cooking this dish, and I think it turned out pretty darn good. We also picked up this new dinnerware set. This is actually from Walmart, and it was only 10 bucks, and it's a 12-piece set. It comes with 4 bowls, 4 salad plates, and 4 dinner plates. These are made of life durable glass. They will not stain or absorb odors, and they're also dishwasher safe, which is perfect for me. So I'm gonna take them out, show you what they look like, and then I'm gonna wash them. Okay, so these are the bowls. Like I said, it comes with 4 bowls, and then it comes with 4 of the smaller plates and 4 of the bigger plates. Ooh, these are so pretty. I love them so much, and they're so affordable. Look, it spins like a lazy Susan. How cute. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this little snack plate I just made, me and Alan. We've got some broccoli, some tomatoes, and bell pepper. And then we are also gonna be dipping those vegetables in this creamy ranch dressing from Kroger. But look how cute it looks on my plate. Aww. So now I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of my new ring light that I got the other day. I actually told you guys about this in my BoxyCharm video, but I did film a little unboxing. So I got this from Amazon. You guys know that my last ring light broke and I had to buy a replacement bulb, and honestly, it just hasn't worked the same since. So I really needed a new ring light, so I got one. And this one is awesome. So it comes with a carrying case, and inside the carrying case is the ring light. And it also has some other little things that comes along with it. And this set here actually comes with the tripod stand as well. It also comes with a phone holder and a camera holder, so it's literally like the whole shebang. This ring light is like 100 times better than the last one I had, because this one you can actually change the color of the light. And it also has the adjustable knob, so you can make it brighter, or if you want it on a lower setting. And the tripod is actually so sturdy. My other one was always wobbly, and yeah, it was just terrible. But this one is absolutely perfect. And you can also turn the knob and adjust the light to go in whatever position you want, so it's really awesome. And this is me and Alan trying out the ring light for the first time. I say we look pretty nice. What do you think? So yeah, I'm going to post the link down below if you guys want to check this out. If you need a ring light, or you just want one because they're really fun just to take pictures or whatever. But I'm going to link it down below. It's from Amazon. It's pretty affordable for the whole kit and for the features that it comes with. And I also have a coupon code down there, so you can save a little money on your purchase. Okay, so I'm using my ring light for the first time to make this video. I was so excited about it, and I love how I could angle the light downwards to face the countertop better. I couldn't really do that with my other ones, so yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be making my turkey meal prep, which has been highly requested, so here it is. I'm starting off by taking these green onions. I've got 2 different bowls. I am cutting off the whites and like the harder part of the green onion. And I'm putting that in one bowl, and then in the other bowl I'm going to put all of the green part, which is a lot softer, and I'm just chopping it up with my kitchen scissors because that's just how I roll. So the other day on Facebook, I seen this trick that you do with things like cilantros and a colander, and I wanted to test it out. And to be honest, I had never heard of this before, so I thought, wow, let me try it. It looks so good. So you just take the cilantros and you pull it through the hole, and it's supposed to take the leaves off. The first attempt, I did it in the bigger holes, so it didn't really work. And then I was like, oh, there's smaller holes. Let me try it on there. But it worked. It was cool, I guess. Kind of time consuming though. And yeah, I really didn't like this trick. I didn't think it worked that great. I think it's easier to pluck off the leaves or cut them off, so that's what I end up doing. But I figured I would share this on here and ask you guys, have you ever heard of this trick before? Have you ever tried it? Does it work for you? I thought it was cool and interesting, but I prefer doing it the other way, just plucking off the leaves by hand. Yeah, so here I am just plucking the leaves off by hand. I know a lot of people probably like to chop up their cilantros, and that's cool and stuff, but I kind of like big chunks of cilantros in my food, so that's what I'm doing now, and I'm putting that all in a separate bowl. So these are the seasonings that I use for my turkey meal preps. We've got some ground cumin, some onion powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper, and some olive oil. This is the ground turkey I'm going to be using, and then I'm also going to be making some black beans and some brown rice. So I'm going to start off by making the brown rice because it's pretty easy to make and only takes a few minutes. So that's what I'm doing now. In another pot, I'm putting in some olive oil, and I also chopped up a little bit of a white onion. I'm going to have that in with my beans, so I'm just letting the onions saute a little bit before I add my beans in there. And I'm also adding some goodies to my rice. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, some salt and pepper, some garlic powder and onion powder, and you can do all of this to taste. Go ahead and add your seasonings and taste it, see if you like it, add more, whatever. I'm also adding in some of the soft part of the green onion, and I'm adding in some cilantros as well. Now that my onion is cooked down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add my black beans. I did drain them and rinse them because that's just what I like to do. So now I'm adding them in the pot. I'm going to add some cilantros and probably a little bit of green onion and some salt and pepper and maybe a little garlic powder and onion powder. So now I'm going to start on my turkey. I'm just putting a little olive oil in the pan. I'm going to let that heat up. And the first thing I'm going to do is add the whites of the green onion, and we're going to cook those for just a few minutes, and then we're going to add in our ground turkey. So I've added in my ground turkey, and I'm going to start seasoning it. And I just show you guys a little bit of me seasoning, but off camera I added a lot more of the cumin because I love the taste of cumin, so I add a ton of it. But I'm just doing salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cumin, but like I said, I add a lot of it in. So I just add the seasonings, and then I'll stir it, mix it a little bit, and I also try to break up that meat as much as I can because I don't like the big chunks of the turkey. I'm really weird about meat texture, so I don't like big chunks of it. So I'm trying to break it down as small as I can, and I'm just adding the seasonings as I go. So as it's cooking, I'm adding a little bit more of that cumin, a little bit more of the garlic powder, more onion powder, whatever I feel like needs to be done. And then once the meat is cooked, I'll taste it and see if I need to add a little bit more. I'm also adding in some cilantros and some of the green onions. So now that my turkey is done and my black beans and my brown rice, I'm gonna start adding it to my little meal prep containers. A few of these have the divider in them, and then a couple of them are just open. So I'm taking a half a cup, a measuring cup, and I'm filling it up with the rice first. I'm gonna throw the ground turkey on top of the rice, and then I'm going to add the beans on the side. And after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna add some more of the green onion and more of the cilantros on top of that. I also had some leftovers that I didn't put in my containers, and I made one for Alan without the beans because he's not really a fan of the beans, but he does love my turkey meal prep, so I made him one. I love adding a little avocado on top of mine, and also some everything bagel seasonings, and if you want, you could even add a little bit of salsa. So here's my meal preps all stacked up, and here is Alan eating his. And this is mine that I'm about to eat, and this is the mess that I'm about to clean up, but I actually didn't film me cleaning it up, so you won't get to see that, but I just thought I would share the mess with you. I also wanted to give you a quick shot of my ring light lit up and show you the different shades of light, and it's totally adjustable. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I'm so proud of it. I love it. Anyway, you've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, my grocery haul, my meal prep recipe, and also the chicken marsala. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!